Hi everybody, I wanted to go ahead and share this website with you all. It's called Teachers Prep, and it is a website that is designed to help students with different exams. So for example, for those of us that are working on getting the CSAT exam passed, or the RECA, this particular website is actually very helpful. It provides free different study guides that we can take advantage of. It actually provides free sample videos that we can also take advantage of. It provides free practice tests. And then actually, since we are students of Azusa Pacific University, we actually get a discount if we decide to take advantage of their online prep. And if that is the case, we actually get free core, or we get additional core videos. We get advanced diagnostics, we get smart STEM tutoring, and it's actually very helpful. It's very detailed as far as the information that they go through. So for example, it'll have you take the exam, and then you can play the video and it'll give you an explanation of why this particular answer is correct. And for example, for this one, I chose the wrong one, and it'll tell you why um, C is the correct answer. So here's a quick glimpse. So I know that that was kind of short, but it is actually very detailed. I would really recommend that you try and use it.